So in this video, this question says that the population of Sunny Hills increased from 12,000 to 15,840 in 10 years. What is the percent increase of the population? So the first thing we need to write is the correct formula for determining percent increase. So percent increase, just like what we did under percent discount, will now be what? Percent increase will now be what? Increase over what? Original, right, times 100 what percent. Okay, so the first thing is we need to get the parameters required. So the population of Sunny is increased from, so the initial, also known as the original population, is what? 12,000. Then 2, so the new population will be what? 15,840. So we can calculate the increase from this information. So we can say that what? Increase in this case will now be what? 15,840 minus what? 12,000. And this will definitely give us what? 3,840. And don't forget, we know the original, which is 12,000. So if plugging it into this formula, we have what? Percent increase will now be equal to what? The increase, that is 3,840 over the original, that is what? 12,000, right, times what? 100 what percent. So if we do this calculation very well, 3,840, okay, this one comes to this, so this will definitely give us what? 32 percent. So therefore the percentage increase in that case is what? 32%. I want to believe that this has really helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and most importantly, comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.